Welcome to the market opening live stream. This is brought to you by Green Tea. It's live stream. So I'm going to make some green tea and then we're going to put on some CNBC and we're going to talk about stocks, crypto, and real estate. You hear that music? That's tea being made. Thank you for the likes, guys. AX Bear. All right, once this tea is ready, we're going to go over and we're going to watch the stock market news on CNBC. So give me 1 second. You can hear that music. All right, thank you for the likes, guys. We got 170 likes. And I got my green tea. All right, let's get the stock market news going. Thank you, everyone, for the likes. We appreciate those likes. All right, here we go. Flip the screen. Let's do this. We're going to put on my favorite show. And we're going to talk about stocks, crypto, real estate. Ooh, we got to turn on the volume. Squawk on the street. We're joining live. Okay, we got to go to the beginning. Skip those commercials. There we go.
And we know so little, and at this point, we still don't know a lot. We know that Pfizer, with the 3-shot regimen, is going to prove effective in making either don't get it or preventing anything serious.
Let me know if you can hear the volume okay.
Yes, but we still don't have a sense for how quickly Omicron is going to spread. We hopefully hope the anecdotal evidence that it is a milder symptom variant is true, but we don't know for sure.
Well, Paul, the Goldilocks scenario obviously is that Omicron.
Shout out to Jim Cramer, one of my favorite suits.
Fewer life-threatening consequences. Now that is the one that says open doors and travel everywhere. It's almost too good to be true. But I do think what we're saying here is I keep coming back to this notion of acceptable risk. Right. That we now know, unless you're immunocompromised, that you can go and do things.
Yeah.
You might not have otherwise.
Borla was asked about that yesterday. Do you want everybody to just suddenly get this? He said, no, there's too many opportunities for mutation in that scenario. But to David's point, I mean, JP Morgan's outlook for the new year is out this morning. And I'll just read it. Our view is that 2022...
You think we got a bear trap on Friday?
Yeah. The end of the pandemic.
Why do you think there's a bear trap Friday? I think the Santa Claus rally's coming, guys. Smash the like button if you think the Santa Claus rally's coming. Let's get to 1,000 likes, guys. Please press the... Oh, yeah, last Friday. You're right. Did you buy the dip, AX Bear? Because I did. Good morning, Tim Hoden. We're talking stocks, crypto. Let me know if you are in the U.S., if you're in America, what state. If you're out of the country, let me know what country you're watching from. We're on our way to 1,000 likes. Florida. There you go. I tried buying the crypto dip, but got bought up too quickly. Yeah. That's why you need limit orders to buy crypto. It's just too hard to time the crypto market. Thank you for the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. I think we're close to 1,000. Okay, we got 716 likes, guys. Let's get to 1,000.
No, but you know, what I'm saying is just if you imagine how you would lead your life, right now in New York, we're fully vaccinated.
What's going on, buddy? I'm buying crypto and stocks. That's what I'm doing. We got a guest on here.
No, I'm not a
Good
guest.
morning.
Morning, bud. What are you
Market
doing?
recovered. Market's going back up.
Oh wait, Pfizer announced that the vaccine is good for it.
Yeah, they're going to make more money off of everyone. And the government's going to subsidize it.
Exactly.
Yep. How are you this morning? Good morning,
Oh,
Silly
not bad.
Goose. She's
Silly
got
Goose.
815 followers. So Silly Goose needs only like less than 200 to go live.
Sweet.
So what did you look at this morning, or what have you been looking at?
I'm all over the place, man.
What's making you money and what's losing you money? What's your best money maker? What's your biggest loser right now?
Good question. I think where's Crow at this morning? Crow's making me money, even though it's down.
Yeah, Crow's easy money. That's a good one.
Link is making me money. It's up.
Is that a crypto or a stock?
Crypto.
Okay, Blink is up 10%. Nice.
Link, yeah, Chainlink.
Oh, Chainlink. We were talking about that. That's a
Chainlink.
great one.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
solid. Dude, I called it the other day. I think I was talking to Richie, or maybe it was in the Discord, but I said to make sure to look at Chainlink, because the way it was setting up, dude, you could throw money at it and you're going to double, if not more.
So is Chainlink $40 already, or what's the price right now for Chainlink?
Right now it's at $22.82.
Okay.
And it's up 10%. I think I got in at around 18.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I got in the other day around $18.
Okay, yeah. If you can get into Chainlink under $20, that's cheap. I think my average price is 25, so I'm down.
Yeah.
You're up, I'm down.
Well, yeah.
But I think it'll go past 25. It'll go past 25.
Did KuCoin open back up? I didn't know, Silly Goose. I didn't know it was down.
I use multiple exchanges, so that way if one exchange is down, I can just use another exchange.
Same here.
Don't have all your eggs in one basket.
KuCoin, LBank, crypto.com.
I need to get you on Voyager, man. You don't use Voyager yet?
I did. It's working.
Okay.
It's being processed.
Nice. Let me know when you get your $25 of free Bitcoin.
Yeah, I gotta look.
Is that going to be your largest Bitcoin position, the $25?
Probably.
Is that going to be?
And you know what? Since you got it for me, I will not touch it.
Yeah, do not sell it. It's going to go to $50. Watch. When Bitcoin doubles, it'll be $50 of Bitcoin. Do not sell it. Do not trade it.
Let's see. Hey, Brent. Morning.
Working off of the profits from Doge last year?
Yeah, so Silly Goose got into Doge early, and she got her profits. So she's just been moving stuff around, trying to make those profits make money for her.
Okay, that's good, because that's the problem. People get greedy and they don't know when to sell. So it looks like she was able to take profits when it was high and diversify.
Yes, she's kind of doing the same thing I'm doing. Invested a little and trying to flip them to get them into stable coins, to get the bag built. Pretty much just start from scratch. I think I might have $500 in it and just trying to build it.
Nice. Yeah, I mean, Everyone has to start. Oh, wow. She got in really, really cheap.
Yeah, she did.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Good for you. How did
Yeah,
she,
that's
or how did
awesome.
she get into Doge? I wonder what got her to buy Doge so long ago.
Silly, how'd you get? I think it was just one of those hunches or ifs, if I remember when we were talking, because I had to help her get some stuff figured out.
Nice. And so did she buy it on Robinhood or did she use a different exchange?
I think she used Coinbase.
Nice. Okay, that's got to be recent then, because Doge wasn't on Coinbase for a while. That's good that she was able to get in on Coinbase and get
Yeah,
the Doge when it was cheap.
yeah. I imagine she'll correct us if I'm wrong.
No, I don't do all my staking on Voyager because it's not a good idea to have all your crypto on one exchange. So I do staking on Celsius, Voyager, Gemini, BlockFi, Crypto.com, KuCoin. So I use a lot of different exchanges. Um, but if you can get the Crow tokens, Crypto.com is going to give you higher yields than Voyager. Okay, there you go. If you bought on Robinhood, you got it really cheap. Because like Robinhood is when it was really, really cheap.
Wow.
Yeah. I actually buy crypto on Robinhood too. And the reason I do, it's because I don't have to use my own money. I borrow against my stocks on Robinhood. So I use the money from them. Yeah. So I'm not investing my own money. I'm using my stocks as the collateral to buy more crypto. But because it's Robinhood, I can only buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't like the other coins on Robinhood. Well, Boeing had a jump.
I
That's
see
the
that.
company that builds. Yeah, they build airplanes. That's like
Mm-hmm.
one of my favorite stocks, just because like they do business with the military, and because
Yes, they
our
do.
military has infinite infinite money, Boeing will always make money because people always need planes, and if people are not flying commercial, the military still needs planes. So
Yeah.
Boeing will always make money. Easy, easy money. Is there any other cryptos you guys want to talk about? They
Yeah.
played a game. Uh,
Yeah. When I worked in Illinois, uh, one of the guys I worked with, his son actually.
yeah, you always want to invest, and some of your companies have to do, like, I know Amazon does business with the military, Microsoft does. And so, like, for them too, those tech companies, they're going to make easy, easy money because they do all the infrastructure and IT for the military. And remember, our military is half our budget. So half of our tax
Mm-hmm.
money goes to the military, which in a way it's good because obviously we have the best military in the world, but at the same time, the companies that are able to do business with the military, they're just going to print money. Ooh, I've
Yes.
never heard of these. XZT. Have you heard of this crypto?
XCT. I got in. I got in XCT yesterday.
Nice.
I
See, you
put
got
a
to tell me.
call.
You see, when I have you come on
I
my
said,
show, you got to tell me about these small coins, man. You're like the guru. You and Silly Goose. You got to tell us about the small coins. I'm boring
all
here with
right.
my
Well,
Bitcoin and Ethereum.
yes, you are, but that's okay. Somebody's got to be.
That's that's why I need you guys to come on here, make it exciting.
Yeah, I totally
Ooh, I
forgot
like
about getting
ASM.
into that.
If it's ASML, the chip maker, I like ASML, the chip maker.
Let me just type in ASM before I go back to the X. ASM is a symbol protocol.
Yeah, see these smaller
Trading.
coins, you're gonna have to ask Jeremy. He's gonna know more than me.
Wow, they just launched. They went public October 21st,
Okay, new.
and they had their big spike October 30th, and the big spike ran up to 17.6 cents, and right now it's down to 10 cents. So it's not quite a
Nice.
2xer, but that still looks like a fairly good price, but let me read into claims to be a blockchain-based global point.
How did you guys learn about this? Oh, nice. You have an idea on real estate too. Yeah, let me know. But yeah, you can't move your crypto off
Morning, Colby.
Robinhood for now. I think they're going to allow it next year. So I'll make TikToks when I'm able to move my crypto off of Robinhood because I joined the waiting list. So hopefully I'll be able to move my crypto off Robinhood. Let me know about your idea on real estate though. I'm always interested. Coin market cap. Yeah.
All right, so CoinMarketCap. So ASM, they are actually the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in a symbol protocol stock are currently Coinbase Exchange, Gate.io, Uniswap, BKEX, BitHub, and others. Protocol claims the blockchain-based global point partners protocol opportunities further expand business. Yeah, so they're new to the game.
Do you have any other smaller coins you guys are looking at? I like this. You guys got the intel on the small altcoins. You're looking the moonshots. We'll call them the moonshots.
Yeah. Yesterday, I brought up Zuna. They're cheap.
What type of crypto? Is it a gaming crypto or is it like a security crypto?
Hang on, I'm pulling it up
Usually
now.
on CoinMarketCap, they have a description.
Yes.
You just read the description, and it's also good to know who the founders are because sometimes the founders were on bigger projects, you know. So if you have like the founder of, I don't know, Cardano or something, like, you know.
Let's see what's.
By the way, Cardano's been doing terrible. I've lost a lot of money on Cardano for now. Ugh.
Dude, Cardano, man. The problem is they promised the world, they promised all this stuff, and they haven't delivered it all.
Yeah. Whoops. My bad. I got greedy and I bought in too early. But at least I didn't pay $2 for my Cardano. I got my Cardano under $2.
All right, then you didn't too bad. DNT.
You want to talk about that? I've never even heard of it, so
Nope.
I don't know if Corey can tell us.
Now.
I don't think the government's going to ban stable coins. I know people keep talking about it, but I don't think the government's going to do that.
Won't happen.
Maybe the yield will go down. Like maybe you can't get 9%. You'll only get 5%, but that's in the future. And when it happens, all the people that were using stable coins and getting 9%, you're going to laugh at all the people that are late to the party.
Yeah, Mizuno. I don't think they're going to ban a lot of the coins. Yes, there will be regulations coming from what we will have to through the growing pains.
Exactly.
You're looking. I mean, that's what's going to happen. We've been running. How to say it? We've been running amok. Crypto's been running amok. So I think with everything that's happening, today is a big day. It's not bad. It needs to happen. It's been needing to happen, but that's the only way for us to grow. And I think everybody's reading the headlines and not reading the actual articles.
Yes.
And when you actually read the verbiage in the articles, it's actually saying that this for the future. That's not condemning crypto. That is, they're trying to figure out the government is trying to figure out how to adopt crypto and how to manage it and how to they want their piece of the pie.
Nice.
I mean, think about it. Look back in history at Prohibition. Why did they outlaw alcohol?
The women's temperance movement.
They weren't getting their taxes. They weren't getting their piece of the pie. So now We're doing the same thing. Let me look at the broccoli industry. It was
Oh yeah,
illegal,
they want their
illegal,
tax money.
illegal, illegal. Why? Taxes and big pharma, but taxes.
Big pharma, yeah, no, big pharma is so powerful. Oh my God, big pharma, very profitable. So you can't beat them. Buy their stock.
Bingo, bingo.
Just
Well,
think
look
about
at
it. The
Pfizer.
government is mandating these vaccines, right? And then who gets all the money that the government mandates? The
Yes,
drug companies that buy our politicians.
and follow the money. That's all I gotta say is follow the money, and you will
Yeah,
figure out what's going on with the
yeah,
mandates.
yeah. Like pharmaceutical prices will never come down because the pharmaceutical companies buy our politicians. And so that money
Yes.
just gets recycled. We pay $100 a pill when like you can go to Mexico and get it for $3, and that
Mm-hmm.
$97 of profit, half goes to the politician, the other half goes to the company stock.
Exactly. Or you can go to Canada and do the same thing. It's just like,
Yeah,
wow,
exactly.
come on, guys.
Yeah, so what's crazy is I live close to the border. So like if you ever go to the border, you'll see a lot of Americans that are coming back from Mexico to get their health care. So like a
Mm-hmm.
lot of people they drive, they park at the border, you literally just walk across and then there's like a huge medical plaza. And so it's like hilarious, but like when you're crossing back to the America, you see people with like braces, you see people with like bags of like pills and stuff. And it's just all these
Mm-hmm.
Americans that figured out like, hey, I don't want big pharma to screw me. So they literally go to Mexico and they're seeing doctors and getting pills that are like 1/10 the price, and it's the same company.
Yeah.
It's just the company has the right to overcharge us in America, but the Mexican government's like, no, we're too poor. You can't do that to us.
Yep. Just look at the blue pill.
Yeah,
Look at blue pill
exactly.
prices in the U.S. compared to there.
Yep. Yep. I take I'll give you guys an example too. So I take what is it called? Propecia for hair loss. And so if I
Mm-hmm.
was buying it in the US, it's anywhere from like $5 to like if I don't have insurance, it's $25 a pill. I get it for 50 cents in Mexico and it's the same company. The same company, they have a factory in Mexico. They just ship it, they ship it to the US and they just mark up the price like 10x. I'm literally buying the same company. It's just when you buy it in Mexico, you're not allowed to take advantage of Americans or Mexicans. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so crazy, and people don't know that. People think that like in America, you're getting better quality, but most of the time, it's actually manufactured. The pill, it doesn't matter. They just make it in Mexico because they don't want to pay Americans. They don't want to pay American wages. So a
Yep.
lot of these pills, they're made in Mexico, and then they just ship them across the border. Exactly, Mexico. Yeah, and it is a joke how bad they take advantage of us. And it's crazy because we basically allowed legalized bribery. It used to be where pharmaceutical companies could only give $3,000 to a politician. That was like the max. And now, because of the Supreme Court, they said that, oh, money is free speech. So you can give unlimited money to politicians because if you're not allowed to do that, they're affecting your free speech. That's the loophole. And so now it went from where corporations could only give $3,000 to 30 million, $100 million. So basically, the Supreme Court is what actually sold us out to big pharma.
Yeah. So the DMT is built off the ERC20. So it's an Ethereum based token.
I love
It
Ethereum-based
is
tokens.
it is a network of decentralized markets and communities. District OX is a platform that allows users to easily launch their own decentralized platforms, which is governed by the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, the DAO structure. So, and the fathers are Joe Ergo, Mattis Mustan, and Joe Ergo. So, sorry, I said Joe Ergo twice, dumbass. But
This is
anyways,
dope, though. No, it's dope. So that's so cool that you just go on Coin Market Cap and pull up all this information because a
yeah,
lot of the times, um, getting this information makes it really important whether you're going to be putting in $100, $50, or $5, right? Like you got to do your research, and even if you blow yourself up, if you're doing the research in the future, you'll be better at researching because you'll be like, okay, I researched this coin. it didn't work out. I researched this coin, it did work out, right?
Yeah, and that's exactly what I do. I do almost daily.
Nice. Yeah.
So let's look at the trading view. Let's go the 1 day and scroll out. So if that is there at 48, the top. All right. So the bottom was around like sub 5 cents. So we can call it a nickel. I mean, it was a little lower than that. I mean, it probably dropped down to, you probably could have got it first around 44 cents or 0.04 cents, 44. So if you call it a nickel and you come up here to the tops and look at these candles, not just the wicks, but the candle bodies, it got to 36 cents. So
nice, 36.
That was a pretty good deal, a pretty big deal. And right now, as it looked like they started dropping back in April, May, they started dropping. They dropped, looked like they dropped to their new support at 10 cents. And they've been going sideways since, and they're at 15 cents now.
Nice. By the way, I want to give a shout out to this company, Raytheon. This is like Boeing. They're military industrial complex, so they build all the planes and all the technology. But look at that dip. So yeah, there was a good opportunity to buy Raytheon. They basically supply a lot of the military with all their equipment, missile defense. So that's another good stock, Raytheon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So remember, if you're going to be investing $1,000 in crypto, you should consider maybe taking 10%, 20%, trickle into some stocks. I like NVIDIA because all the mining is through NVIDIA graphics processors.
All of the metaverse and everything that we do every day runs through an NVIDIA processor.
Exactly. And it was under 320, so I bought some today. If it's under $300, it's a really good price.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about holding or selling on, but I mean, if you're staking it, that's always a benefit. You mean you don't have to sell if you can stake it. Do you like any other crypto stocks? I like Coinbase. Coinbase is good, and I like MicroStrategy. So if I had to pick a crypto stock portfolio and I had, let's just say, $100, I would probably do $40 NVIDIA, $30 Coinbase, and $30 MicroStrategy.
Now,
that would be how
Crow
I play it. Not yet, but if it goes public, I'll buy it. For now, you just buy the token.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We got Crypto Moonbags in the live.
Wow. Hey, join in, Crypto.
Yeah, YOLO never sell. Come on the live. Type that out. Yeah, but not Boeing. My mains are actually Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Microsoft. Boeing is like top 15. All right, we got Crypto Moonbags. Coinbase doesn't have their own token yet. That's why I like Crow. I think Crow is ahead of everyone when it comes to like having your own token.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, Moon.
Oh my God, I just woke up, dude. Like, how's the market doing?
We were talking about this cool token. It's called XTZ. I don't know if you joined us. I was going to see if maybe you want to take a look at it.
Let me see.
I got to pull it back up.
So I like energy stocks. The problem with the energy stocks is I would probably just do ETF instead of owning one energy company.
Yes.
Because then I get everything. I think it's called XLE. And so you get like ExxonMobil, you get Valero, you get all of the energy companies.
Oh, are you talking about Tezos? XTZ?
Yeah, Tezos.
No. Is it Tezos? Is that the name?
Yeah, Tezos.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
It's XTZ.
Okay, you guys want to know something really funny? A guy I went to
What year?
college with, he's in the board of Tezos. His name
No
is
way.
Solomon. If you put in Solomon Tezos, his name should come up on the internet. We went to college together, and I remember when I first tried to get him into crypto, and he's like, "No, man, crypto's a scam." And now he's like
Ah,
a big he's like a what's it called? He's like up there. He's like on the board of Tezos.
that's hilarious. Dude,
Dude, that's
but the Tesos is a really good coin. They're opening into the NFT market a lot. Like this platform that I use for the Burger King NFTs,
Mm-hmm.
called Sweet. It's like an app on your phone. They are using Tesos now, and a lot of developers are launching their projects on Tesos because how fast and how cheap it is. So that's a pretty good one.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it's a good price too. I mean, it's not too bad. $5. It's not too bad.
Is it attached to Stellar
I'm
Let me
looking
see.
at it.
XLM?
That's
Are they? That sounds like something Chainlink would do. I don't think.
It's on a Binance Smart Chain, so I don't think so.
Yeah, no. If it's on the Binance Smart Chain, it's not going to be.
Yeah, so it's completely separate. But Binance is also very young compared to Ethereum.
Okay.
Like, they're like I think $300 a stock on Binance right now, like a share. So it's not too bad. It used to be like $400 or $500. I think the all time high was like 700 or 800. I think at one point.
Nice.
Yeah, but no, they're different. But it's a good coin. I mean, they're everywhere right now. I see it everywhere. Even they have their
mm-hmm.
own coin, like their own NFT coin on that you can buy right now on Sweet as well. So yeah, it's pretty good.
By the
I
way,
gotta pick some
Matic
up.
has been doing really well. I wish I bought more Matic, right? Matic's been doing really well.
Dude,
Yeah,
Maddox holding solid.
yeah.
I
I
think during
bought
the
a I
bear
bought a bag.
market, I was going to say during the bear market, wasn't it like the best performing crypto was Matic?
Yes.
Yeah, this dip that when it dipped now, it opened a lot of opportunities to get more bags. I don't buy a lot, but I get moon bags. That's where my name comes from, from the strategy. So I buy a bag, I recover my investment and hopefully a little bit more, so I can pay myself, and then I leave the rest. That's just house money at that point. So I just ride that
Yep.
and see how it performs.
Nice.
And that's when I do all my testing, like all my crazy theories. I test it with money that is not mine.
Nice.
You with your profits.
Yeah, exactly. With just what is left because I already took my investment and I pay myself. I usually try to like double my money plus 50% more, and then I take that out and I leave the rest. Whatever that is. It's
Nice.
just a little baggy, a little moon bag.
Nice.
Yeah, that's essentially kind of what I'm doing too.
So yeah, I'm the opposite. I'm just putting all of my money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then occasionally I'll sprinkle some into the moon bags. But my strategy is that I just want to get to $1 million of Bitcoin and $1 million of Ethereum, and then just basically live off of the 6-7% staking reward.
Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. Hey, wasn't the
Yeah.
government talking today about the altcoins and stuff? Wasn't that like a big thing today?
Yeah, they're
What did they
supposed to have a
say?
conference today.
I don't know. I don't know if it has started yet. I think it's too early for them to start. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think they've started yet. Well, I mean,
The,
it's
the
10 o'clock,
government
so they
doesn't work
might.
this early, man. Are you kidding?
Oh
This is
my
not like
God! All
regular
the
working people.
yeah, the crypto exchanges are speaking to Congress right now. It's on right now. Thank you for that, Crypto Gains.
It's on now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, like
let me see if I can forward it.
See if you can find that.
it's
Yeah, I
definitely
have the
gonna be
TV.
very difficult for them to do any kind of like harm to it. Like there's so much money already in the table. Like it's just
It's not
like
coming up. I don't think.
He says you
I
can
don't think
watch
it's
it
going to
live
be
on
on.
YouTube.
Which TV network? If they give me the TV network, I can pull it up.
YouTube.
Yeah, this is YouTube TV, but if it's not a
Oh,
TV network, I can't. It's okay. I'm just going to stick to this stock channel. It's fine. I mean, there's nothing we can do. It's just the politicians just asking a bunch of stupid questions. So
yeah,
I think it's
exactly.
yeah,
their.
and it's just more like there's so much money in the table and the economy is like at such a fragile point right now that throwing this kind of negativity is just gonna ruin it for everybody even more.
Yeah.
Like,
I
can you
think that
imagine?
they're going to support crypto because China banned crypto, and it's like if you're a democracy, you're supposed to support crypto. If you're like an authoritarian government, you're supposed to not like crypto. So I think it's very, very likely because China doesn't have crypto, and that like so India is like a competitor to China, and they're a democracy, and they're like changing their position on crypto because they had originally banned it, but now they're like getting rid of the bans. So I think it's like crypto's here to stay, and if you're a democratic country, you're going to support crypto.
Yeah, there's way too much money right now on the table for them to do that. Like it will launch us into a recession, like in the fast run, in the fast lane. Like people
It'll give
will,
me an
like, if that gets
opportunity.
out, people will panic sell, man. Like it will be crazy. And right now the fear
Yep.
index is like at 20, I think, or something. It's just
People
pushing it
already
over
are.
the edge.
It'll give me an opportunity to buy the dip. So if they do it, it's
That will
fine.
be
I'll buy
like
more
the
crypto.
deepest dip like we ever had, man. That will go Bitcoin probably go to like 10K, man. That would be ridiculous. It will be panic. No, that can happen, man. The
No.
government is not gonna let that happen right before Christmas, man. We're like 2 weeks away from Christmas. It cannot crash right now, man.
So I'm on CNBC. So let me fast forward it. He's thinking. So let me see if I fast forward it, they'll do it. All right, let's see if they have the people on.
I'm trying to research it now.
No, I think I have it on this channel. Let me just fast forward it to live. Here we go. I think they were talking about it right here.
Silly goose. I think I used Coinbase to buy the XZT.
So yeah, if you go for that coin, if you go to Coin Market Cap, it will tell you at the bottom like which exchanges have it right
Yeah.
now. So you can like Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huboy, KuCoin. So those ones have it right now. Usually KuCoin is the best one to buy those.
Yes, it is. Normally I do, but it was I needed to do it right then and there because I got it at like $5.01.
Oh, and then another thing that I noticed, I didn't log into my KuCoin for a while, and I had some coin in there, and then I opened it again, and they gave me a reward. I don't know why or what, but I have this NFT token. I have like 23,000 of it, so it was pretty fun.
Really?
It's worth like $5, but
Okay, so they're just talking about Apple.
That's good.
15% in a month, man. Why did I not buy more Apple?
But
remember,
why
you can
though?
borrow
Like,
at 1%. You can basically borrow at 1%. And if Apple goes up 15%, that means all the interest is already covered. Like you don't even you're basically buying it for free.
What's the dollar amount minimum on that?
What, for Apple?
Yeah.
You can buy $1 of Apple on Robinhood, I believe. You can do it on Interactive Brokers. So you can buy fractional shares, just like how you buy fractions of like Bitcoin.
I know. No. For margin for using your margin.
Oh, to use it, you need
loan
to have a
against.
minimum of 2,000, 2K,
Okay,
2K minimum.
that's what I was asking.
Yeah, once you have 2,000, they'll lend to you. Before that, you have to just save until you have $2,000, and then you can borrow.
Because
and then
that's my ultimate
did you just
goal.
ask for it, or the only requirement is to have 1,000 and that's it? Do you have any other kind of
No,
requirement?
you have to turn it on. So the way you turn it on, it just depends on what exchange you're using. But like on Interactive Brokers, they have like a tab where you just put on margin. The same thing with Robinhood, you just turn on Robinhood Gold. But a lot of the times they actually have like a message, like what is it? It's called like message the customer support on the app. So you can
Oh,
just message them and just say, hey, I need to now borrow. And they'll tell you like, okay, you need to turn this on or you need to do that.
oh, okay, that's cool.
If I have to purchase one stock, what would be the first one? Well, Apple's too high right now, so maybe Amazon, because Amazon hasn't moved as much as Apple.
Speaking of, what happened with Amazon yesterday?
And I don't know, it went down, right? Because of like a labor thing, right? I don't know.
Don't know. Even I was watching TikToks this morning, and even Amazon workers were like playing Christmas trivia and stuff at work because They had nothing to do because they were shut down.
Yeah. At the end of the day, though, it's a well-run company. So I
Yes, it
think
is.
both Amazon and Walmart, like both of those companies, it's like
Dude,
you just hold it.
I have worked for Amazon before, on the
Mm-hmm.
administrative side. Like, I was a project manager for them, and it was crazy, man. Amazon is such a huge company, has such a huge reach, and it doesn't give a shit, man. Like, honestly, like they are like, hey, man, if you can do the job, great, we're gonna reward you. But if you can't, then like move aside, please. Like literally, man.
Yeah, they fire.
Mm-hmm.
Don't they like try to fire 10% or 20%?
The policy is hire to fire, basically. So they hire whoever comes to
Exactly.
their door. Like they hire as much as they can, and they put them to the challenge. Basically, like, here's what you have to do. Here's the knowledge that you have to acquire, and then we're gonna teach you the best we can. But if you don't perform, then so sorry. But next, like that, man. They don't care.
Yeah, and it's like I said, it's a great company to own. I don't know about working for them, but
Yeah,
they
I mean,
definitely get
for
the
that,
best
for
of
the
the
stake,
best.
for the shareholders, that guy, Jeff Bezos, has done an amazing job, man. Like producing money and make it a profitable company. Hell yeah, man, 100%. But that's it, man.
But they need to copy off Tesla. Tesla's made so much money on buying Bitcoin, and Amazon and Apple should consider doing the same thing. What's the point of holding dollars when you know it's negative
Yeah.
6%?
I want to work for Tesla, for a while, just to kind of see how they run. It's like those experiences has given me like an idea of how like giant corporations think, right? Like how they run, and it's interesting. It's very
But
interesting
Tesla's
how they.
different.
Oh
I,
yeah, it's
I
way
feel like
different. They
Tesla's
even pay
run
a lot more,
differently.
dude. Like they start, like their customer service starts you up at $25 an hour, just for doing customer service, man. You get insurance the first day you join. It's amazing. It's like a great company. You get food,
Wow,
you get a bunch of service. It's like working for Google, pretty much. It's really really nice.
that's awesome.
Yeah, very nice
That's
company,
really,
but it's
really
very hard to
awesome.
get into. Like, just the requirement is in their requirements to apply, says you have to prove that you have like outstanding capabilities or something like that. Like, I don't know how they frame it. It's not offensive. It's just like saying that you can prove that you have gone above and beyond for someone in the past or something like that, right? It's
Wow.
very interesting how they think.
Nice, nice. All right, so I gotta end my live stream. I gotta go to the gym, get this workout in. I don't know if one of you guys want to host. I can jump on and while I drive to the gym. Do any of you guys
I,
want to host? Or are you guys good?
I need to go get breakfast. I just woke up.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab coffee and stuff,
Yeah,
but maybe later, man.
I
Are you
got a
gonna
few
come
things
back
to do.
later?
Yeah, let's try to keep doing this in the mornings. I love doing
Cool.
live streams with both you guys. So yeah, just let's try to catch each other tomorrow morning around the same time.
All right,
Sounds
for sure,
good.
man. Have fun at the
All
gym,
right, good
man.
talking to you guys. YOLO never sell.
See you, Jeremy. Have a